The Chaparral is certainly a best-in-class, offering unique outdoor living space that promotes year-round enjoyment of the beautiful Las Cruces climate. The great room works harmoniously with the kitchen and dining area, all opening onto a beautifully themed courtyard and adjacent outdoor living room. The Chaparral is the perfect design for year-round entertaining. The open kitchen gives the chef in your home the opportunity to interact with all the activity, whether entertaining guests or enjoying the company of that significant other. The Chaparral embodies practicality with a separate guest room and office/flex room that can convert to a third bedroom. The spacious laundry room offers extra touch of storage and workspace. The Chaparral is 1767 square feet and either 2 or 3 bedrooms, 2 baths with over 400 square feet of outdoor living space. Enhance your courtyard with a built-in kitchen or fireplace and turn your outdoor living into your own retreat. Beauty that is more than skin deep. Picacho Mountain focuses on the active adult lifestyle and maintains the highest level of construction and quality standards. Every courtyard home is built to Energy Star standards. Cutting-edge technology and the latest construction techniques are hidden away throughout these incredible homes. Call us today to build your retirement home in this luxury community.